Hello, welcome back to That's in Kitchen. Today I want to share a broccoli recipe that your whole family will love. For this recipe I use about 500 grams of broccoli. I start by roughly chopping the broccoli. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to boiling water. Stir gently to make sure the salt dissolves. Add the broccoli to the boiling water and ensure they are fully submerged. Boiling for 2 minutes will be sufficient for the broccoli. While the broccoli is boiling, let's prepare the potatoes. We will use 500 grams of potatoes as well. Slice them into thin, round pieces. Remove the boiled broccoli from the water. Add another teaspoon of salt to the boiling water. Stir to mix. Add the sliced potatoes to the boiling water and boil them for 7 minutes. Grate 80 grams of Parmesan cheese. Grate roughly the same amount of cheddar cheese as well. Place the boiled broccoli on a cutting board and chop it. Remove the boiled potato slices from the water. Melt 50 grams, approximately 2 tablespoons of butter in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to the pot. Pour 2 cups of milk into the pot and whisk continuously. If your sauce is too thick, add more milk until you reach the desired consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the mixture in the pot starts boiling, add half of the grated Parmesan cheese and stir. Then turn off the heat. Spread the olive oil evenly over the paper using a brush. Pour a portion of the prepared bechamel sauce into the baking dish and spread it evenly. Layer the potato slices over the sauce. Sprinkle a layer of chopped broccoli over the potatoes. Spread some of the remaining Parmesan cheese over this layer. Add another layer of bechamel sauce and spread it evenly. Add another layer of potatoes and remaining chopped broccoli. Spread the rest of the Parmesan cheese over this layer. Add the remaining potato slices. Pour and spread the last of the bechamel sauce. Finish with a layer of the cheddar cheese on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 35 minutes. And our broccoli dish is now ready. Now let's serve our delicious broccoli dish. Just look at how perfectly golden and cheesy it is. The layers of potatoes, broccoli and creamy bechamel sauce come together beautifully. Let's take a bite. This recipe is not only easy to make but also a guaranteed hit for any family meal. I hope you try it out and enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.